سلامات
سلام
دحنديكم كمي قنيكم تمرت جميركم كوزات نعوديكم ريكارد زي قولكم قنيكم اوكي كوزات لما عند ريكارد تقوريكم هذا ماشي تزغاجيكم تزغاجيكم ازاي لما عندي لما عندي تشالنجكم قالات تግርኛ እዩ ብዛዕባ ትምህርት ቤት It's about school materials. እሺ ወደ ዛይ If you answer እንድሕር መሊስኩም ትሽለሙ ኢኹም ሕዘይ መሊስኩም ትቆጽዑ ኢኹም You ready for your challenge? እታ ኩዕሶ ዘለታ ዳብጫ ኩዕሶ ዘለታ እሳ ስፔሻል ሽልማት እያ እንድሕር መሊስኩምዎ እሱ ትወስድዎ ማለት እዩ እሺ بمن كجمر
انا
بايدا
انا
ايش ايدا مجمريا دحن ماشي اوكي ايدا بيت تمرتي سكول good job yeah go get your yeah can pick yeah you get a name
now where do I put
yeah yes take it
I'm just gonna
ممهر
right
ممهر
learn
that's it
no my turn
شو ازاي go get punishment
and my turn now I think I know what it is
الحين نرئي
first we have to dump his head and then I get to
اوكي ايدا ممهر مالت
student
go deep fast yeah okay ممهر مالت teacher ማለት አይዳ ready ምንባብ ማለት ነው ምንባብ
student
no it's not ምንባብ ምንባብ
read okay next guess I'm gonna choose I'm sorry
زائل مصحف
book
بس
pick one pick your favorite color
oh I get your coins
I got 2 quarters stuff
okay that's good دفتر
دفتر student
no it's not دفتر مصحف is book دفتر is you know is a دفتر
is it
دفتر
paper is it
paper
oh can I say it
no سمح
okay
paper ورقة paper مالك ورقة مالك دفتر
can I have pen
بيرو እዩ ፔን ማለት በሃል ኦኬ done with you አይዳ go እሺ ኤዛዬ
pencil
ደፍተር ማለት
pencil
go deep ደፍተር ማለት exercise book
oh yeah exercise book
ኤዛዬ ready
yeah
ተማሃሪ ማለት አይደል student yeah
can I go one
yes sure pick what you like
oh I got waffles
okay okay አይዳ ሂሮ ማለት አይደል
here on pen
yes ጎበዝ
yes
oh
another brownie
ኤዛኤል Ariam, what happened?
I want to play too.
We want to play ish. Okay? I will call you. Ariam, I will call you. I promise I will call you. Go. Ish. Irsas ማለት?
Irsas? But I already said pencil.
Oh, you said pencil?
Yeah.
Irsas ማለት?
Pencil.
Pencil.
I'll get this one. Yes.
መደምሰስ
Medimsus.
ደምስስዮ መደምሰስ
Is it
መደምሰስ.
Were you giving her a hint?
No, I'm not. Oh, you want to do a hint?
Yeah.
Okay, መደምሰስ. መደምሰስ is like one of the school material uses for two things.
Oh, writing.
Yeah, writing, and there is something also you use with that thing while you are writing. Use
Eraser.
eraser. A lot of hint I give you.
Yes.
Oh, is it turn?
Yes, it's my turn.
እሺ ቦርሳ ማለት ነው።
Bad. If this is bad.
Backpack, yeah. Your brownie. It is a thing that you put something to it.
Lunchbox.
Right.
What did you get?
I love it. Okay. Now the
my special
special question.
Yes.
The day before yesterday, we celebrate something.
Somebody.
We celebrate.
I know it. Oudamet.
Oude Amet.
No.
Yeah, no, it's not yet the answer.
What?
Oude Amet. So that Oude Amet, what it's called, and first what it's called?
New Year.
New Year. حادش عامت. حادش عامت. New Year. Then, yeah, I don't finish yet.
Okay.
What is the year of the new year?
2016.
What happened? What happened? Yeah, definitely.
What is it? $2. Like that. That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
Ew.
I will ask, answer fast.
Yes.
Okay. ቤት ትምህርቲ?
Pen school. Pen. School. Wait, do I have to dump?
Of course, go down.
I hate this. This is a fun game. The water
Okay.
so cold. Even.
Okay.
If
Even
I
I ask you after that, if you miss it, that means you don't know it at all. Okay. منباب.
Hmm?
منباب.
Need to read.
مصحف.
Book.
مصحف.
Book.
مصحف.
Writing.
Huh?
Writing.
Writing. مصحف is right. تمهاري.
Pen. Oh,
Hmm.
teacher. Student.
Hmm?
Student.
Student. Right. دفتر.
Hmm?
دفتر.
Exercise book.
ጎበዝ ወልዴ።
Let's
ቢሮ.
pen.
እርሳስ።
Pencil.
መደምሰስ።
Eraser.
መምህር.
Mm-hmm. Teacher.
Teacher.
Oh, yeah.
Teacher. You did good job. I think you did good job. And now, what you will say?
Like, share, subscribe, and comment below.